Remember this? This is the switch that I fixed in this video. Where's Dave? Dave? I'm sure he'll turn up. Anyway, this is the switch that I fixed a couple of months ago, and the charging port wasn't attached to the board, and it was a bit of a mess inside. Now, either I didn't do a very good job on this port here, or it's been abused again. Let's find out. I mean, it's in terrible, terrible condition. The screws... It's not that there's no screws in it, it's just that the case has snapped. I mean, I'd be tempted to replace the case, but I've got a feeling that it'll just come back with a broken case no matter what I do to it. So, anyway, let's open it up and let's take a closer look at the carnage.
Time to make the switch with another switch fix. Didn't last long, so it's back to StezStix. Let's work it out again, bring it back to life. Hoping it's not FUBAR attacked by a knife. This week's root name is Cunnilingus. Makes my show up scene when I wanna just take it. Who's the guy with two jacks? That is the question. Prescott was his name, now he's two sheds western. A1 bass to the Flux and Adam Taylor. Fred Chauvier, Jam Radder, Nick Huega, Aaron Marks, Death Willie, and Flynn Varoki. Bronze Vintage Electronics, Ben Rush, Wayne Jockey. Big thanks to all who support my quest. Ellis Carpet, Oz Newton, Nate, and the rest. Nick Adams and Morton and Jonathan Wiggs. We're blowing up the toilet like the Maniac Rigs. Andrea Facio, Toxie Shadow Infinity. Getting close to the end, there's just another 3. Markovitz 19 and Jonathan Harden. Emilio Herrera, that's it, oh beg my pardon. There's always one more, let's finish this off, yo. He's the one, he's the only, Monkey Joe Tokyo. Peace.
I've just realised I should have shown it you're not working. So, here we go. And it's drawing nothing on that side. And exactly the same on that side. It's dead. Let's proceed. And now we have proof that the incorrect amount of thermal paste was used. Alright. Let's have a closer look at this. Well, the whole thing's just loose again. So maybe I didn't do a good enough job. But I suspect it's been abused as well. Yeah, right, let's take it off. I'm just going in with 400 degrees at 100% for fun. Uh-oh. Well, that wasn't very good, was it? So we've still got a leg attached there. Well, not attached, but... And we've got 2 pads that have been pulled there. Excellent. Nice work, Steve. And let's clean this up. Right, let's have a look at the damage. I don't think this one goes anywhere. But that one definitely does. It goes to that little via there. And what about this one? Yeah, there's a via there as well, isn't there? Am I missing one here as well, or is that just discoloured? Okay, I'm missing 4 pads now. Great. What a mess. Right, well it is what it is. I think I'm going to grind away the vias. And then I'm going to put the port on, and then I'm going to try and attach little jumper wires. I don't know how long it's going to last, but if we can get it working and he gets a bit more life out of it. I think I'm going to try the hot drop method. I've seen Joey does tech do it, and he makes it look really easy. Never tried it before. Oh, I've run out of flux. Oh, no I haven't. Oh, we love to flux. I think that'll do. Okay, and here's the new port. Let's do this. Nice. Well, it looks pretty good. Let's do the solid test. Solid. Solid. Solid.
Solid. Solid. Not solid. Not solid. Not solid. Solid. Not solid. Solid.
And solid.
So of the 4 not solid ones, we've got 1, 2, 3 little wires. And that one doesn't go anywhere. So let's try and connect these up. This is going to be fun. This is impossible. 4 hours later. Right, I'm really struggling with this. Right, I can't do this. I'm making a complete mess of it. It's far too small, the gap between the wire and the pin. I can't get the wire in there. I'm going to take the port off. I'm going to go to plan B. Well, the good news is I've not made it any worse. I haven't pulled any more pans off. Right, now plan B involves putting the tiny wires on first. That was not easy. I'm just going to add some solder mask and try and hold those wires in place. Is it on? Solid. 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 I think so. That's the one that was not connected. Ah, that was moving. Solid. I think that wire's moved. Damn. Are those two connected together now? Yes, they are. Damn! Oh, I might have got it. Yes. Right, so this one here, this 6th pin, should go to here. And it does. 7th pin doesn't go anywhere. The 8th pin is loose. So I need to make sure that that's connected. That one is connected to there. And I've got to assume that the rest of them are on okay because they're all solid. Solid, 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 solid. So it's just this one, I think. What I might have to do is just scrape a little bit of this solder mask away here and just... I mean, this could go horribly wrong. Right, how's that?
Solid.
Right, I don't think I'm going to get it any better than that. Let's clean it up and let's give it a test. I'm not going to put it fully back together for obvious reasons. Let's see if we get anything out of this charge port now. 0.16, 0.28, 0.32. That's not bad, it's better than 0. Oh, I think I can see a backlight. the battery's completely flat, but that's good news. Let's put it fully back together. I'm not going to bother cleaning it. Let's see if it works. No 0.16, 0.27. Why is there nothing on the screen? Wait, it worked a minute ago. What's going on? Oh, have I not connected something? Oh, come on. Yeah, I didn't put the backlight in properly. Which is a schoolboy error of the highest proportions. Let's try again. Yes. Let's try it the other way. Nice. Haha, nice. Right, let's leave it charging for a bit. See if it comes on. Come on. Oh. Come on! Get in there. Mr. Beast, who's he?
I'm very excited. My very first
Who's this
PlayStation
guy?
5 console. PlayStation 5. There's something else.
Who is this guy? He thinks he can rap.
What do you mean?
Stupid YouTuber.
Oh my God, it's the